Hi, I'm Karina. In this video I'm gonna share with you my favorite roasted cauliflower soup recipe. If you're not a big fan of cauliflower, believe me, you will love this soup. Roasted cauliflower is the key here. It develops great flavor as it roasts in the oven. This soup is light and creamy and will nourish your body with lots of vitamins and minerals. So let me show you how to make it. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, we're gonna be using a large head of cauliflower. Wash it thoroughly and cut or break into small florets. Drizzle with the olive oil, add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half of teaspoon of garlic powder, a half of teaspoon of salt, and a few twists of black pepper. Mix it well to make sure everything nicely coated with spices. Spread the cauliflower in a single layer on a large baking sheet and roast until the tips of the cauliflower are golden brown for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna slice the half of the onion and 1 medium carrot. In a pot over medium heat, we're gonna warm a bit of sunflower oil until shimmering. Then we're gonna add the onion and cook for about 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the carrots and stir again. In a few minutes, we're gonna add red curry paste and cook for another 2-3 minutes. After that, we're gonna add all the roasted cauliflower stems, 1 can of light coconut milk, and 4 cups of filtered water or vegetable broth. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. At this point, we're gonna use a merchant blender to blend our soup until smooth. Be very careful as the soup is very hot. You can transfer the soup in small batches to a blender and blend until each batch is smooth and creamy. After that, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our croutons. For that, we're gonna toast 2 slices of whole grain bread and cut them into small cubes. Serve the cauliflower soup while it is hot. Top with croutons, fresh basil and parsley. Enjoy the soup with your friends and family. It's good for any day and any occasion. Leave a comment below if you like this cauliflower soup. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I hope to share with you more delicious vegan recipes. See you next time. Bye!